Today, let's draw a snail sunbathing on a mushroom. It's really simple. You'll need a piece of paper on a vertical orientation, your Sharpie for drawing, and some watercolors. All right, now we're going to draw the snail, but remember, foreground first, and we're going to have that mushroom sitting in the grass. So let's do a little grass in the foreground. We'll have some grass cross over. Just a little grass. You've done this tall ones and short ones. And then some that cross over. You can go off your page if you'd like. All right, foreground first. Always do that first because the mushroom stem is sitting in that grass. Now above the halfway mark, we're going to start the spiral of our snail. It goes to the right. And I stop right there, not at the bottom plane there, but right halfway through that spiral because we're going to close that off. That's the snail's house. Now we're going to have the snail peeking out to say, "Good morning, everybody." How are you? I'm going to come out and sunbathe a little. I know the eyes of the snail are up above his head, but because I'm a cartoonist, I'm going to make this a little funnier, cartoony. Give it a little personality. All right? Now remember, if we're going too fast, just pause your video and catch up. It's fairly simple. Then two curves to the right and to the left. It's the top of your mushroom. And close that off. Now, as you'll see in the examples, we have large snails and small snails. It doesn't matter. Just do the best you can. I have big dots, little dots. They can all be big dots, all little dots. It's up to you. Remember, you're the artist. You do what makes you happy. This is just a real simple drawing where you're going to have fun coloring it any way you would like. Now we finished with the stem. Just stick the curve down to the grass and skip over anything you've already drawn. There, that's the basic drawing. Now you're welcome to add to this anything that you would like. I'm going to show you some with a spider. There's some flowers. You can do that. You've done flowers before. Let's do a few of the flowers that we did with our ladybug that are upside down, the little bell flowers. I'm using my wiggly pen, so it's a little weird. You can add clouds, birds, butterflies. All right, I'm going to let you go. Now have some fun painting this or coloring it. Now here's some samples. I told you about the spider web. You can add a spider web. Nice rich watercolor here. Look at how this works with the yellow blending into the orange and a beautiful dark background and curvy grass. Remember, these are just to give you some ideas. These are Xerox copies of artwork that's already been done, but I just want to show you that they're all different. Even though they're working from the same drawing, they all have different personalities. Here's a little snail on the mushroom, and here's a big snail on the mushroom, kind of weighing that mushroom down. It's wonderful. And then this is where we started. Remember, add flowers, birds, butterflies, anything you like. Okay, have some fun. Bye.